Good morning, Year Sevens. Just quickly want to go through your assessment for today just so you know what you have to do. Okay, so the first thing you all will be aware of is that you are going to be handing in your videos today. So your speeches will be handed in today, so you need to submit them to me either through this section here or via email. So that's number one, deliver a sales pitch for a product choice, and it's your assessment task. Okay, the second thing that you need to do today is to submit a script of your sales pitch, okay? Some of you guys have already done this. If you've already done it, you don't need to worry about it. It just needs to match up with what you've sent in. And for you guys who haven't got it done, you need to complete it today, okay? So first thing you need is your video. The second thing you need to do is complete your script. The third thing that we want you to do today is to complete this advertising unit checklist. As you know, this is our final day doing advertising. I want you to make sure that you go through this and you have a look to see that you have completed all the tasks that we need to do for this unit. So this document is our entire advertising unit checklist. Okay, so it asks you, have you completed and submitted the following tasks? So there's a list of all the tasks that you needed to do for the entire unit. So this includes analyzing and creating your poster in first part of the unit, and then the second part of the unit, which was the sales pitch and video recording. Okay, so the first one, you had drafting documents, your advertising poster, planning document filled out to the best of your ability, and then your advertising poster. If you've those done, check that off, check that off. Second part are presenting argument. You should have a sales pitch. If you've that done, you take that off, then a video recording of your sales pitch. Some questions I want you to answer. So during online learning for this unit, the activities you liked most were, during the unit of work, the things I found most challenging were. So we're really looking for some feedback on the unit and trying to learn ourselves from the online learning aspect of this. That's pretty much that document. The other document you will see in here is the rubric for your oral sales pitch presentation. Use that when you are doing the final edits and putting together of your video. If you have any questions, can you please get in touch with me? I'm expecting that there may be some difficulties in sending across videos. Most people have been able to do it okay, but I understand it's not something that everybody's right across. So if you're having some difficulties, please get in touch. Other than that, I'm going to leave you with it, okay? Good luck, everybody. Look forward to seeing you soon.